Hello kids, today we are going to revise occupations. You know, all lesson we learned in the previous class. Today we are going to just revise. So tell me, what is occupation? What is occupation? Occupation is the work we do to earn. The work you do earn a living is called the occupation. Why we are doing work? We are doing work to earn some monies. Why we want money? Because we want to purchase some things, example such as a cloth, food. So much things are there we need. So that we need a work. Work means money. How will get money? We get money from work, no? Without doing work, we'll get money? No. When we'll do work, we earn money. From that money, we'll buy our things and we live comfortably. We live a life in good condition, in good way. Different kinds of occupations are there. Someone do farming, they are called a farmer. Someone sell a milk, rear a buffaloes, cows. They are called the milkman. Doctor, nurse, policeman, engineer, officers, pilot, fireman. These type of work are different kinds of occupations. They all are doing work. For why? To earn money, to earn a living, to live. We not need a money to live. We need a lots of things. We to do work to live. Yes or no? We do work. We all need food, clothes, shelter, many other things to live in society, that is man. We need all these things to live in society, in good society. All these things cost money. Here come money. Why will do work? People occupy themselves with some form of work which can earn them money. That is called the work. The work they do to earn money, a living, is called the occupation. People follow different kinds of occupation. Some works as a doctor, some works as engineer, some works as teacher, pilot, farmers. so on. Why do people work? They work so that they earn money needed to satisfy their want. They need to their family and the loved ones. However, people so works in order to satisfy their own dream and ambitions. See, this person, his name is Amol. This person, okay, he's a father. Whose father? Amol's father. His son name is Amol, okay. We'll say Amol's father. Amol's father is doctor. Because he has always wanted to see everyone healthy, so that he become a doctor and start to earning money. From that money, he is giving a better life to his family and loved ones. Not a living himself, he giving a better life to his family, relatives, and his society and loved ones too. See, this lady is Madhvi's mother. She is a school teacher by profession. She has always dreamed of being able to teach a little children about the history of our country. These are the occupations. Agriculture is the India's chief occupation since we are basically an agricultural country. Our farmers grow a huge variety of crops. Most of children parents are farmers. Yes or no? Your father doing a work in farm? Yes, most of children are farmers' children. Your parents bringing only one type of grains? No, they are bringing variant types of grains, different types of grains, different types of vegetable, different types of fruits, because farmers grow a variety of crops, huge varieties of crops, food grains, vegetables, fruits, cash crops. They are growing different types of crops, so that we are eating different types of food. Rearing of farm animals like a sheep, goat, cattle, cow, other livestock for their produces is called the animal husbandry. Poultry farming means rearing ducks, hens, geese for their eggs and meat. Dairy farming means rearing cows, buffalo for their milk. These widely practiced agriculture related to occupation in India. These occupations means agriculture and rearing cows, buffaloes, farm animals are widely practiced agriculture related with these occupation in India. Fishing is major occupation for people Those are living in coastal areas. Fishermen sell fish in markets. Additionally, fish is also preserved by drying, salting, packaging in oil or brine, a mixture of salt and water. Industries. Industries are also source of the income and occupation for people. People work in industries producing or manufacturing a vast range of items such as a toothpaste, fans, steel utensils, televisions, and so on. They work in factories where the actual products made or in their sales office so as to ensure that the more and more people get information about the products and buy it. These are occupations. Now see service. Service means what? Some occupations do not involve sale product but also related to service. Some occupations do not involve sale of products, produce, sale of products, but they are related to service. This include the transport industries, banks, hospitals, education, beauty parlors, films and television industry, security service, hotel industries. After a sale service of the products, etc. Police officers as well as people serving in armed forces, police officers as well as the people serving in armed forces, army, navy, air force follow a noble profession as their occupation. They protect each and every citizen of the country from any kind of internal or external threat. Police and army officer, armed force, it may be army, navy, air force, the officers follow a noble profession as their occupation. They protect each and every citizen of the country from any kind of national, international threat. This is called the services. An activity carried out by a person to earn a living is known as his or her occupation, his or her occupation or profession. It may be service, business, so on. India is an agricultural country. About 70% of population involved in agriculture activity. India is a agricultural activity. About 70% population involved in agricultural activity. Only 30% people are doing other work. 70% people involve themselves in agriculture because India is the agricultural country. Animal husbandry, rearing sheep, goats, cattle, other livestock. Fishing is an important occupation of people living in coastal areas. Okay, we learned this one. You tell me a person who grows vegetable, what he called? Someone who grows vegetables. It may be vegetables, fruits, crops. Who grows the crops? They are called the farmers. See, in this picture, the farmer growing the crops, fruits. Okay? Now, a person who flies aeroplane. What you call him? Pilot. Okay. Now tell me, who won teach in school? What you call he, her? What you call he or it may be she. One who teaches in school, we are called as a teacher, sirs. Okay, now tell me, a person selling food items on the street. A person who selling the food on street. You like to eat no street food? Yes or no? Yes. So, tell me what you are calling him. Vendor. A person who sells the food on street, that person is called as vendor. Okay. Now, last one, tell me the head of the educational institute. Who teaches in school? We call as a teacher, and the head of the educational institute we called as a principal. Okay? Now see kids, some other works are there in the service industry, such as hello kids. Is there anyone you know who follows a unique occupation? Tell me. Is there anyone unique occupation who follows a unique occupation? Tell me. Yes, are there? Yeah, unique occupation, different occupations are there. Say, pet or a dog walker. Tea, coffee, chocolate, testers, shoe laundry services, they are also occupations. Not only farming, police, teacher, engineer, not these are only occupations. Unique occupations are also there. Dog pet walker, tea, coffee, chocolate testers, shoe laundry services. So lots of different occupations are there. They are called the modern days occupations. Understood, my kids? Okay. Tell me, what is today's your homework? Already we are doing 10 to 12 or 13 days revision. Every day what I am giving you homework. Yes, correct. Today's your homework is read the lesson. Read the lesson. Remove the points. Remove the points, main points, and write a short note on that one point. Point means animal husbandry. Dairy farming. What is the dairy farming? Poultry farming. What is the poultry farming? Occupations. Different types of occupation. Write the name of that and occupations. First write what is occupation. Types of occupations. What does your father's occupations? What does your father's do? Mother's work. What does your father do? Your father's occupations, mother's occupations, your relatives' occupations. You are having so many relatives. Your friend's father's, friend's mother's occupation. Understood, no kids? Here main is you read the lesson one time, two time, more time you read the lesson. Understood? Thank you for watching the video.